Hello and welcome again. Step into clear, confident financial English through the use of essential phrasal verbs used in workplace communication. Let's dive straight into finance. Write-off definition. To remove a bad debt or loss from accounts. Synonym, clear, example. The company decided to write off the unpaid invoices after multiple failed recovery attempts. Payoff definition, to fully settle a debt. Synonym, clear, example. The firm managed to pay off its outstanding loan ahead of schedule. Take on definition, to assume financial obligations or risk. Synonym, undertake, example. The company took on significant debt to fund its expansion. Bring in definition, to generate income or revenue. Synonym, generate, example. The new product line brought in substantial revenue in its first quarter. Cutback definition, to reduce spending. Synonym, reduce, example. The organization cut back on non-essential expenses to improve cash flow. Set aside definition, to reserve money for a specific purpose. Synonym, allocate, example. The firm set aside funds for future capital investments. Run-up definition, to accumulate debt or expenses. Synonym, accumulate, example. The department ran up significant costs during the project phase. Bailout definition, to financially rescue a struggling entity. Synonym, rescue, example. The government stepped in to bail out the failing institution. Payback definition, to return borrowed money. Synonym, repay, example. The company committed to paying back its creditors within 2 years. Branch out definition, to expand into new financial areas or markets. Synonym, diversify. Example, the firm branched out into international investments. Markup definition, to increase the price of a product. Synonym, increase price. Example, the retailer marked up prices to maintain profit margins. Markdown definition, to reduce the price of an asset or product. Synonym, discount. Example, the company marked down excess inventory to clear stock. Build-up definition, to accumulate financial reserves. Synonym, accumulate, example. The organization built up cash reserves during profitable periods. Dip into definition, to use reserved funds. Synonym, draw from, example. The company dipped into its savings to cover unexpected costs. Tie-up definition, to commit funds so they are not easily accessible. Synonym, lock-in, example. Too much capital was tied up in long-term investments. Sell-off definition, to dispose of assets. Synonym, liquidate, example. The firm sold off underperforming divisions. Buyback definition, to repurchase shares or assets. Synonym, repurchase, example. The company bought back shares to increase shareholder value. Takeover definition, to acquire control of another company. Synonym, acquire, example. The corporation took over its main competitor last year. Close down definition, to cease operations. Synonym, shut. Example, the business closed down due to sustained financial losses. Turnaround definition, to improve financial performance. Synonym, recover. Example, the new CEO turned around the company within 2 years. If you found this useful, feel free to like and share. And just in case I don't see you again, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and good night.